In circuit theory, it is important to understand different types of sources connected. This video will explain the different types of sources connected in the network. Especially this video will helps to understand the different dependent sources. So what is a dependent source? A dependent source is a current or voltage source whose value is not fixed, but rather which depends on some other circuit current or voltage. A dependent source is a current or voltage source whose value is not fixed, but rather which depends on some other circuit current or voltage. There are four types of dependent sources. The first one is a voltage controlled voltage source. Second one is a current controlled current source. Current controlled current source. Voltage controlled current source. So the flow chart will give the detailed explanation of the different sources. So sources are classified as independent sources and dependent sources. So next we will discuss about each one with an explanation. Voltage controlled voltage source. The voltage controlled voltage source, which is as shown in figure symbolically, which maintains a voltage across its terminals on a voltage elsewhere in the circuit. The voltage controlled voltage source, which is as shown in figure 2, which maintains a voltage across its terminals that depends on a voltage elsewhere in the circuit. It is represented as Vs is equal to K into Vx, where this Vx is a voltage somewhere else in the circuit and K is a constant. So with an example, now I am going to demonstrate how this VCVS voltage controlled voltage source appears in a circuit. For example, this is the one, it is a voltage controlled voltage source. What is its value? Its value is 2 into Vx, where Vx is the voltage across a 6 ohm resistor. The drop across 6 ohm resistor is a Vx, and the multiplication factor, the K, is 2. In this way, dependent sources are appears in a circuits. So this is a voltage controlled voltage source. The symbol is rhombus, and because of it is a voltage, it has a polarity plus and minus. This is the DC voltage controlled voltage source. So next one, current controlled voltage. It is also type of a source, but now it depends on the current. The current controlled voltage source, which is as shown in this figure, which maintains a voltage across its terminals that depends on a current elsewhere in the circuit. Elsewhere in the circuit, it is represented as Vs is equal to K into Ix, where Ix is a current somewhere in the circuit and K has a dimensions volts per ampere, ohms. And voltage controlled voltage source, okay, this is the symbol. And one example network is like this. This is the 0.5 I1. This puncture is there, no 0.5 I1. Okay. This is the I1. The current, okay, flowing in this path. Current flowing in this path is I1. Okay. What is the multiplication factor? It is a 0.5. Okay. And its value is, it's a volts per ampere or ohms. Okay. So in this way, so this current controlled voltage sources are appears in a circuit. Okay. So understanding these type of sources will helps to solve the some examples in a network. Third one, current controlled current source. The current controlled current source, which is as shown in this figure symbolically, which maintains a current through its terminals that depends on a current elsewhere in the circuit. It is represented as Is is equal to K into Ix, where Ix is a current somewhere else in the circuit and K is a constant. This K is a constant. So K symbolically, so rhombus, but it has a no arrow. This is a current source. Symbolical representation of a current controlled current source. That is a dependent sources, dependent current source. So this depends on this Ix. Yeah. So Ix is a current. So for example, in this case, this is the current source 3I1. I written it as a 3I1. This is the dependent current controlled current source where this I1 is here. Okay. The current flowing in a this 2 ohm resistor. So arrow going upward and multiplication factor, that constant is a 3. I1 means whatever the current flowing this one, this current source will have a multiplicative of 3 with this current I1. The last one, voltage controlled current source. It is a current source. So, but now it depends on voltage. The voltage controlled current source, which is as shown in this figure, which maintains a current through its terminal that depends on a current elsewhere in the circuit. It is represented as Is is equal to K into Vx, where Vx is a voltage somewhere else in the circuit and K has a dimensions ampere per volt or transconductance, K into Vx. So now we will see where this source is appears. So this is the source, voltage controlled current source. And what is this one? Vx by 8. So this is a Vx. What is this Vx? Vx is the drop across this 3 ohm. So in this way, so we are going to solve some problems. So dependent based on these dependent sources. One example, we will take one example. So we already discussed what is this one. This one is a voltage source. What type of voltage source? It is a current controlled voltage source 2 into Ix. So where Ix is a 6 ohm resistor. For the circuit shown in figure, determine this V across a 4 ohm resistor. So these type of problems we are going to solve in a next. Okay. So we are going to solve. Okay. So now, okay, only one voltage source is there and one dependent source voltage is there. So now we apply a KVL around this one. Minus 4Ix, minus 2Ix, minus 6Ix, because Ix is current is common throughout this loop, it is flowing. So minus 4Ix, minus 2X, minus 6X, and we are reaching minus 2 plus 24 volts is equal to 0. So Ix value is 2 ampere. So we have solved this current to Ix. Like it is a 2 ampere. Then voltage across this is how much? 4 into Ix. That is a polarity. Okay. When we come to this is the minus plus. So minus 4 into Ix, minus 4 into 2, minus 8 volts. So in this way, we are going to solve, okay, based on these type of sources like dependent sources. So thanks for watching this video.